Good morning. Say good morning.
Tap.
Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to be vlogging. I missed like 2 weeks, but I'm back again. I always say I'm back, but I'm just bad with the vlogs. But it's okay because I'm going to still post even if it's not every week. Every week. I love you. Oh. You give mommy a kiss? Oh, thank you. So yeah, today, what happened? She's dramatic with her coughs. What are you doing?
Listen.
Oh, I guess you see her little scratch on her eye. She fell on her baby's potty. You see boo boo? On her eye?
Eye.
On your eye, yeah. So today it's supposed to be really nice out again. So we're gonna go outside and then I have a business to explain to you guys. And don't mind, like this little clip-in is like coming out a little bit. I gotta fix it. Winter, you love yourself today? You're so beautiful. Oh, you kissed mommy again? Kiss mommy here. Mwah.
Kisses.
Kisses. Aw, give mommy more kisses. Mwah. All right, talk to you soon. So talk to you soon. We're gonna go outside and I'll keep you guys posted. So I know earlier my hair was long, you know it's not. So Gabby actually did like a clip-in semi-permanent weave, but we had some technical difficulties, so we had to take it out. But yeah, so now my hair is greasy and wavy from being all braided, so I have to wash it later. Don't mind the bottom of her sandals, they look ugly, but these are her cute pink holographic sandals. And Daddy is the hairstylist, if you didn't know. So definitely subscribe, take some tips from him on his hair channel. No, I'm just kidding. What do you call yourself?
It's too exclusive.
But right now we're actually just, well, I can't see, it looks a little weird.
Show them the
Oh, yes. Mamacita. But Winter has like this dry scalp psoriasis problem right now. So that's why we're not able to put our hair in ponytails or anything. We have to keep it out for like a week or so. But we're gonna go outside. So I didn't really do much in this video, but I wanted to sit here and talk to you guys and let you guys know what I've been up to. So basically, besides, you guys all know that Gabby's like one of my best friends, but aside from Gabby, I have two other best friends, Allison and Brittany, that I've been friends with since I was 10. So long story short, Allison is Winter's godmother. We met because we lived across the street from each other and I was 10, riding my bike around the block, and she was singing out of her window with a bunch of her friends, and she was like, "Hey," and I'm like, "Hi," and she's like, "What's your name?" And I'm like, "Allie," and then her friend was like, "Oh, she's Allie too." And I was like, "Really?" And she's like, "Yeah," and then she's like, "Hold on, we're gonna come outside." So then they came outside, and then I was riding my bike, and we just became friends from there. But yeah, so basically, middle school and high school, we were together like every single day, making weird businesses. Me and Allison had a AA business. It was called AA Business or AA Lotions. And we basically made lotion and like body care products. But what we did is we took her mom's products and we mixed everything together in these bottles and we called them our own. We made a lot of different concoctions. Basically, I don't know how our mom wasn't pissed at us, because thinking back, if Winter takes my good products and starts wasting them and mixing shit together, might be a little aggravated, but maybe she supported us. We also had a business where we had like an animal hospital. We had a recycling business where we collected recycling in the area, even though like recycling companies do that already. Little us are thinking. We had a babysitting business. We painted seashells and sold them off in front of our house. We did lemonade stands. Basically, we've always just had that business drive. We've always been creative, just making shit, house projects, painting, sanding floors, like you name it, we probably did it. But anyway, so me, Alice, and Brittany have had a lot of time during this quarantine to FaceTime, talk about ideas. I have a Cricut, Brittany just got a Cricut, so we thought, why not make stuff? Like, we can make shirts, wedding decor, like, we can literally make anything. And we're so creative, and there's 3 of us, we're like, why not? So, the past couple days, I might get hate for this, but I have been seeing Alice and Brittany in person. A lot of you might say, oh my god, does Gabby know that because you work for her? Yes, she knows that. But they have not left their house at all. Allison lives alone. Brittany lives with her mom, but her mom's not working right now because of the quarantine. So we're all safe. Like, and we're staying 6 feet apart in the apartment. So we've been working on a lot of different projects, making samples for you guys. And our shop is gonna be going live on Tuesday. So I'm so excited for that. So our company is called 3 of a Kind Design because there's 3 of us, so we wanted to do something that had to do with the number 3 or, you know, something along the line. So 3 of a Kind Design. I will link our page down below. We have an Instagram and we also have a Facebook page. So basically, we're going to be posting our first pic on Monday. On Tuesday, we're going to be posting a video explaining how you can buy everything, how you can customize things, etc. We are going to be shipping, but you have to pay for shipping. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. We've been working so hard on this, making logos and spreadsheets and getting shipping supplies and all the supplies to make everything. And it's a lot because I have a baby, so I can only go over there at night, like when she's sleeping, because then Gio stays home. Like, Gio doesn't mind if I would go over there earlier, but like, I just don't want to miss any time with her because I already work. So yeah, so I go over there at night and we work on things. But we're going to be selling things like customizable wine glasses, coffee mugs, Starbucks tumblers, which are so freaking cute. They have like the Louis Vuitton logo on them. We have a strawberry one. We have a daisy one. The Louis Vuitton comes in holographic and rose gold. And I think that's going to be our bestseller because honestly, it's so fucking cute. What else? We're going to have like front door wreaths, like name signs for like nurseries, like those circle like wooden signs with handmade rolled flowers. We are going to be making candles eventually, soy candles, but we have to make sure that we do it right. So that's why we're not releasing them right away. We're making like hanging signs for inside, like those glass wall arts with like a decal on them of like Chanel, Prada, all that stuff. I'm so excited. We've been working really hard on this. We hope you love it. Make sure to go like the page, 3 of a Kind Designs. So like us on Facebook, share on Facebook as well, or post it on your Instagram stories. Like, please just get the word out there about our business, because at a time like this, there are a lot of other Cricut crafters out there and people like trying to make their business. So I don't want to like get stuck in the shadow. And I definitely want to get my name out there because we would love to do this as like a full-time business if possible. Like, we've always dreamt about having a business and now we're finally doing it and it's so exciting. Yeah, so that was my big announcement. So I'll see you guys next time and I'll keep you updated, show you like us making stuff, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.